Hello, I'd like to show you a concept that we're working on. It's called BuilderWiz.com, and it's a marketplace where builders and owner builders could place their um, already built ADUs, and this would be a place where another ADU owner builder would be able to go to and look through already built ADUs in their area, and select one that they would like to build, purchase a package, which would include the drawings, engineering, and all the other step-by-step instructions for every single step that would be required for them to build this ADU as an owner builder, or for someone who is a custom builder who would be able to show this plan um, to their client and be able to purchase a plan and save money on all the paperwork, initial startups, and everything. The main idea here is to save money in time, both in the planning stages and also in the construction cost. So the way this would work is an owner would say, hey, I want to build an ADU. Instead of going and looking for different kinds of ADUs, a custom one to design, they would have to go to architect to find a custom ADU to build. They would have no idea how much it would cost to build in that area. But instead, what the concept is to create a website where they can go in and take a look at already built ADUs and have an understanding of what it costs to build that, and then see the screenshots and then actual pre-built already, like final what they look like. And also it would be a teamwork between the architect, a builder, and us to create a package that would be a basic package that someone would be able to just purchase through our website, and it would include everything that they would need to build this ADU unit by themselves. So in this case, they're going over here and they like this plan, and it has pictures of it. It shows information about it. It also shows all the places that this specific ADU plan was built. There's some happy customers who have used this specific plan with this specific architect designs and engineering and the step-by-step instructions that the builder uploaded to our website. And then let's say they like it, they click continue, they purchase it through our website. Once they purchase it, they go on to our website, they log in, they go to their plan that they purchased through the website, and it gives them a checklist of all the things that they can keep track to build a ADU for themselves. In this case, we're going to, for example, a rough plumbing state, and this is where a owner builder would track their status, all the little things all in one place, their documents and photos that they upload to keep track of the process for themselves. They also are able to look at the notes to what to look for provided by the builder, so they would know all the hints specifically about this step. They can also reach out to the community that we would build, where this community would talk about specifically broken down to this step, the rough plumbing. Any articles or videos that would be useful for this step would show up here, and then all the community forums or conversations going specifically on this step in this area or filtered by this area would show up here. They can also in the future be able to see what it would cost for a subcontractor to do this job specifically for this plan, so they would know and be able to plan this whole thing out and know what the final price or cost would cost them to build this ADU. So hopefully you have an understanding what this concept is. If you are a owner builder or a builder who's built an ADU and would like to offer it to those around who, to owner builders, this might be a good idea for you. So you're not just building stuff, but you could sell your knowledge and your in the specific plan. Instead of building it yourself, you could also upcharge people for your support. And also, if you are a owner builder who's thinking about building an ADU and you would love to have a place where you can go and select your city or your area and see if there's already pre-made ADUs that you can choose from, which offers step-by-step instructions how to build it yourself. And if you think this would be interesting, this could be also for you. Fill out the form on our website. Also, if you're an architect or any of the vendors that are in the middle of building an ADU, this might be a good idea for you. It would be a good package to work together with. For example, an architect and a builder would work together to create a package that would be sold through our website, and then it would be split in between. So it's just one easy way to sell a complete ADU project. So this is just the initial idea stage. We haven't built this. We're just looking for some validation, see if there's any interest in this. If so, we'd love to partner with architects and builders of ADUs and see if we can work together on creating this a win-win situation for both the builders, architects, and the owner builders, and most of all, solve the housing crisis. Thank you.